Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by finding where Excel inserts Getpivotdata. Click a value cell in the pivot table so you can see the actual formula in the formula bar. This reveals the pivot table name and field /item pairs. Once done, write down or copy the referenced pivot table name and the exact field strings because you will replace or remove them next. Make sure to have the worksheet unlocked and any dependent cells noted, since changes can break references elsewhere. Now turn off automatic generation via Pivot Table Analyze or options right arrow Generate Getpivotdata so future clicks won't recreate it. For existing cells, you can edit each formula, remove the Getpivotdata wrapper, and point to the underlying cell or compute using Getpivotdata arguments simplified to direct references. This is faster and more transparent. If many cells use it, use Find and Replace for the Getpivotdata text, or run a short macro to convert formulas to values or to alternate formulas, making sure to test on a copy first. Finish by deciding whether to leave direct references or convert results to values. Select cells and paste special right arrow values to freeze numbers. Once done, refresh your pivot tables to confirm that no automatic Getpivotdata is generated. If it reappears, ensure the Generate Getpivotdata option is off across the workbook. If formulas break or show #ref, use trace precedents to find missing links. Otherwise, undo changes and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.